Title: The Bridge Between Us. In a quiet mountain village, two boys, Luca and Kai, grew up like brothers. They did everything together, fishing in the stream, climbing trees, building dreams from sticks and stones. Luca was quiet, thoughtful, a dreamer. Kai was bold, adventurous, always chasing the horizon. Their bond was unbreakable, until life tested it. When they turned 18, an opportunity came, a scholarship to a prestigious city university, but only one. Luca won it. Kai smiled, patted his friend on the back, and said, "Go chase the stars, bro. I'll build my sky here." But deep down, something cracked. Not out of jealousy, but out of fear. Fear of being left behind. Fear of losing the one person who always understood him. Years passed. Luca thrived in the city, top of his class, job offers pouring in. Kai stayed back, running his father's crumbling carpentry shop, struggling but surviving. They wrote, called, but silence began to grow between them like a wall. Then, one winter, Luca returned. He found the village quiet. The shop was closed. Kai was gone. What happened? Luca asked the old baker. A storm hit last month. The bridge collapsed. Kai tried saving a boy who fell in. He made it out, but injured his leg bad. He's up by the hill cabin. Luca rushed there. He found Kai limping outside, building something. "You're back," Kai said, eyes both hard and warm. "I should never have left it like that. I didn't need you to stay, Luca. I needed you to remember why we started this journey together." Then Luca saw what Kai had been building. A bridge. Not just any bridge. It was over the same river they fished in as kids. Elegant, strong, carved with symbols from their childhood dreams. "Why build it now?" Luca asked. Kai smiled, "Because bridges don't just connect places. They reconnect people." The two friends stood there in silence, wind brushing the trees. The hurt didn't disappear, but neither did the love. Some bonds are tested by time and distance. The strongest ones, they build bridges back. Moral: true friendship isn't about always walking the same path. It's about building a way back, no matter how far apart life takes you.